So guys, hope that you can see me very clearly. Okay, I'm somewhere in Kenya right now. I'm in a place called Kwale. Kwale, it is near the Kenyan border and the Tanzanian side. Yeah, is it west? Somewhere it's around Mombasa. You can check on Google Maps. Yes, and you can see where I am. So I'm starting my video here. It is kinda in the morning right now. It is a very cool place. There's a mosque here. Mosque. This is a mosque. So I hope you can see me clearly, guys. So I am Joseph Omara. Let me just stand here a bit. So I got a comment yesterday of one of my. She is my second subscriber, named Vapa. Yeah. So Vapa, I got your message about the introduction. So I'm going to do this introduction a bit. Okay, I'm Joseph Omara, born and raised in Kenya. Yeah, East Africa. For those of you maybe who have no idea about what place this is. This is Kwale in Kenya, East Africa, guys. So I'm Joseph Omara. Yeah, just a young man here. I want to do some exploration here in YouTube. Yeah, I just want to document my journey from here in Kenya, this particular time, until I get to my destination. I've given myself like 5 years. I want to go to Alaska, just to document. I know that is very possible as long as I put my mind into it. So after I got a message. So for those subscribers, maybe, or for anyone maybe who is this is your first time maybe seeing me in your feed, guys, make sure you just like, subscribe, and comment where you're watching this video from. So just some crazy motorbike guy. We call them boda bodas, making a lot of noise right now. The video went off a bit, but I think I will add with the other video. I just want to post it the way it is, guys. So I just want to film this road as I'm going towards my house. I've rented a place, not really my house. I've rented it. So let me take you with me, guys. Just want to put this video to be so steady. I don't want it to be shaky. Let me just take it down. This is Kwale. It's kind of beautiful here, man. Hope you can see the video. So it's around 9:50 there, around 9:50 a.m. It's very early in the morning, but the weather here is very, very smooth and calm, guys. Kwale is a good place to stay. If you want a village life, you can come here, guys. So I just want to do some traveling videos here and there. First in Kwale, I think this week I love to visit to the nearest border town. It's called Lungalunga, guys. You can check Lungalunga. It is somewhere here in Kenya when you're going to Tanzania. So there's another route here. I think there's two ways of going to Tanzania. So one it is in Namanga and two is here in Lungalunga. I think you can see me. Okay. Just want this video to be like 20 minutes. Someone's calling. Hello? Hello? Sorry guys. I did pause this video first, so I'm still continuing on my journey. So let me just take this camera front. I just don't like this camera to be shaking a bit. Just want to be steady. It's a beautiful place, guys. Kwale. It is mostly 90% they're Muslims women, Muslims men. Yeah. So you must prepare yourself with those greetings. Assalamu alaikum. That route is where I'm headed, but let me take another shortcut. Just want to have a conversation with you guys a bit today. I did promise to one of my subscribers that I'll post a video yesterday, but I was not able. I was too tired, guys. I just came home tired yesterday from my home village. Vipi? Chonjo kabisa. Okay, so let me rotate this camera first so that you can see me. So my plan was to go and live in the capital city of Nairobi earlier this year. We are now in, I think, May, but again I did check that Nairobi is too noisy as a beginner. You know, I'm a beginner here in YouTube, so I needed an environment. Yeah. Sorry guys, my phone storage was full, so I had to delete some other videos that I've already posted here on YouTube. So yes, so let me just record at 10 minutes so that I'll tie them together in CapCut. Yes, and I'll just produce a one long video for you to watch. I want you guys to enjoy this video. We're in Kwale. It is a very green place, as you can see. guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, guys. Comment from just comment where you're watching this video from. Either it is in Uganda, in New York, in South Africa, in Namibia, like Vapa. Guys, I just wanted to do YouTube, guys. YouTube, you know, if you do YouTube, let me just walk slowly. You know, if you just do YouTube, guys, we'll tap into the global audience very fast. If you just upload just a single video, you can see like Indians have watched that video, USA audience, Namibian audience like Vapa, even the Kenyan audience since I'm in Kenya here. So the only way to beat this algorithm very fast, I need to move around. I go to Tanzania, just record some videos there. I go around where else? Namibia. Why is Namibia sound very special? Anyway, maybe I'll plan a visit there, Namibia. It's not that far. But first, guys, since I'm doing YouTube, guys, I need to go and look for a passport. Passport, guys. I don't have a passport. And where my goal is taking me, guys, I need to move around this world. Just want to record myself moving around. Yes, I just want to be out and about, guys. Let me just show you this terrain of where Kwale is. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Just want this video to be of a good quality. Yeah. So guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. We are in under mango tree, as you can see here. This is mango tree here. And there are, what are those? These are what we call them what ndimu here in Kiswahili in Kenya, but they are what is that word? There are those oranges, but those little ones, we call them ndimus here in Kenya. Yes, if I remember that name, guys, I'll let you know. The good thing with YouTube, guys, even if maybe you're not that eloquent in English, as you maybe produce the first video, the second video, the third, the fourth, you'll be eloquent, guys. English is in you, just that you're not practicing it a lot. So this is another mangoes. They are very ripe here, very ripe. We usually call them embedodo. Not apple tree. Embedodo. I don't know how to call them in English, but they do have a name. They're all mangoes, but every mango has their own variants. So yeah, and that's it. So I hope that I have introduced myself to you guys, and I'll continue to introducing myself. So guys, I just want to move around this world, guys, but with your help, guys. I can't do this alone. I'll go and get my passport. I'm just looking for a little bit of funds so that I start applying for it. It's around what, $90. It's $90. They are about. I'm in Kwale, so I just need to go to Mombasa and get the documents ready and apply for it. But let me first look for that $90. Yes, and apply for it. If I get that passport, guys, Tanzania is the first outside country to go into and just record there, guys. So after Tanzania, Look, maybe is it Uganda? Is it Namibia? Is it South Africa? I'm very, very serious, guys. But I have a goal of making like 50 videos first. Whether here or just random videos, but yes, at least so that you viewers may get to know me more better. Just need a little bit of support, guys. If you are support, guys, I'll take you very, very far. I'm free. I'm more than free, guys, to take you with me, and I'm willing. Look at this place, man. Isn't this beautiful? So okay. So Tanzania. So anyone maybe who will watch this video, I have a lot of things to offer, guys, but with the support. So anyone who has maybe I want a passport, guys, that's it. I'm free right now. Maybe I can just jump to the border on the other side. Yes, just record. How things are there. $90, guys. Anyway, if anyone maybe will support this boy to record those videos in Tanzania to Kenya, I want to move around. Yes, $10, $1, guy. It will really help this small YouTuber as of now. Yes, so we are in another section of a road. So let me just take you with me. So when you're going towards the other side, there's like a college there. It's called Kenya Integrated School of Medicine. So anyway, there's another Maram Road. And there's a very big prison behind this forest, but I'll not take you that side for today. Today I just wanted to introduce myself. You know, Papa gave me a hint of what I need to do. I just don't have to. I should not just post random videos without introducing myself very properly. And there are viewers there maybe who want to know who this guy. Who this guy with the camera. So I know that this video will not be of quality since I'm recording with my phone, but as I continue with this YouTube journey, I will have a camera, a GoPro maybe. That is my dream. If I get GoPro, guys, GoPro 13, that's it. That's it, guys. So let me take you. So I really don't know why people should. I know there are shops here, new shops, but I really don't know if you can get customers around here. It is a place that has not been populated by many people. It's a very calm place. So I hope, guys, you can see the camera. You know that it's not that clear, but it's the best phone that I could have afforded. So I'm not a big guy, just a small guy. I'm doing what I can. Just to put some content out there, guys. So if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe and comment, guys, and just share the video so that other people may watch. If you like this video, guys, it will go far. I want the American audience to watch, I want the Namibian audience to watch, the South African, all world, guys. So this is Kwale. I'll be in Kwale for like up to there's general elections here in Kenya next year. So I want to do the voting process here in Kwale. After that, I will leave Kwale and go to another place. I think it will be either Nairobi or somewhere in Meru. Meru is where I did my college studies. Yeah, I did my college studies in Meru. I hope you can see me very clearly. Even the, what do we call this? Let me say landmark, Kenya School of Integrated Medicine. So guys, I will end my video here. So I'll take my time to pause this video. I just want to put it into YouTube, or I'll do it. So guys, make sure that you like these videos. I just want subscribers, guys. You push this. I'm not asking for much. Just subscribe, guys, if you watch this video, guys. So I'll pause this video here. See you on the next one, guys. Peace.